are at the Green Home and Energy Show. It's our 5th annual show here in South Portland. And it is a fantastic gathering of businesses that focus on clean energy, green buildings, sustainable home products, you name it. I think people are interested in learning more about how to make their home more efficient. They're interested in checking out heat pumps. A lot of people want to look into solar so they can own their own power.
Show's great. I mean, I love getting out and talking with people when I can. So we're talking a lot about heat pumps and solar and EV chargers and how they can all be used together so we can actually create the power that we want and then actually use it.
We've got a whole lot of information here on our website at efficiencymaine.com. Any way you want to reach out and get some information, we encourage you to do that.
We have a lot of great relationships with other vendors here at the show to partner to help people take care of their homes and to make them more energy efficient.
It's a great opportunity to interface with a lot of different individuals who are curious about what we're doing. And then we also just really like supporting Heather and what she's doing with both the Green Home and Energy Show as well as the Green and Healthy Homes magazine.
In addition to our regular exhibitors, we also have a component of Maine makers, which is always a really popular part of the show. So everything from eco-friendly home essentials. New this year, the Hygge seats, they're made here in Maine. In addition to all the exhibitors, there's also an electric vehicle expo happening outside. The Sustainable Landscape Expo has been a pretty exciting addition, and I've talked to a couple people today who told me they came just for that. And we have a full slate of workshops going on. We have 4 tracks of workshops that happen simultaneously throughout the day. Everything from an introduction to electric vehicles, which ties in nicely to the EV Expo, to how to retrofit a foundation. There's a workshop about reinvesting your property by adding an accessory dwelling unit. Everyone loves food trucks, and we have 3 this year, so that's always been a really nice draw. And also the Girl Scouts are here selling Girl Scout cookies. It's really a fantastic day. It's such a nice place to get education, resources, shopping, great food trucks, all in one place.